Hello, YouTubers, and it's Into Gaming, and I am playing Minecraft, Xbox 360 edition. Now, what happened earlier? My wolf, one of my wolves killed this. I was trying to jump down and get something. What was it called? Yeah, a chicken. Yeah. Oh man, I'm sorry. Yeah, I hit that thing down like you don't like it. Stop it, pig. Oh. And then I'm gonna go with my sword and looking around. This creeps me out a little bit, and let's go. Now I tried several attempts to spawn Herobrine. Yeah, him for short. Yeah, I dare you to type Herobrine in the Minecraft on the PC. I dare you. Something will happen, and you do not want him to be on your server, don't you? Do you? Or do you not? Now I'm going into my house for a little bit night's rest. Now I have a clock, and the clock does work, and like, yeah, I'm a clock and I work, and I'm looking at the time. Well, what is it? Where's the clock? Well, it's all daytime, like all daytime. Now, concluding, stay tuned for the next episode, okay? It's gonna be a good episode. Not bad, just good. Bye.